Jamaican shore fishing. So this is not my normal content. This is a totally different ball game, guys. So meet my brother Norman here, and me and Norman and Laurie is joining the annual polo match in Jamaica. And tell them about the exciting things that we're gonna see today.
Man, you're gonna see some wicked games of polo today here in Sandy Bay. It's gonna be total excitement because on top of that we still have our normal activities with buggies, bikes, zip line.
Yeah, you said the bar, and it was like, bro, where the room? Yeah, camera stopped recording for a second, but yeah, guys. So we have the zip lines, the buggies, and everything normal activity. Me and Norman is here. Norman's Chukka. Chukka Sandy Bay. On the look behind me, guys, we have the whole setup. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be walking through. There's probably gonna be music playing, right?
Oh yeah.
So you know what? I'm gonna have to like ride over some of this. So me and Norman's here, guys. So these guys are recording everything that's happening here too. He's taking pictures of everything.
Yeah.
But I'm not doing that part of it. Yeah. Yo, guys, we're here at Chukka's stall, Chukka's tent that we have set up here, because as you see in the other tents before, and all that's happening around us, guys. So we have a few events happening around us. I don't know if you guys see, they have the kitchen over here. We'll walk you guys through real quick. So this we are the kitchens prepping all the finger foods. Chefs doing their thing on the portable grill. Alright, pull up. Big up to all the chefs. Let's see what the chef's keeping up with back here. Let's see what's up. Mess up yourself. Look at this, guys. Awesome vibes. Check it out. Guys got a portable kitchen. Big up on yourself, chefs. So yeah, guys, I don't want to put these guys' picture on the film, so you know how it is. And then we got Mike running around the ATV. Look at his face. Yeah. How you doing, guys?
Hi.
Tell them your name.
Carmen.
Carmen from where?
Chukka.
Yeah. So we here just running around, guys. I'm gonna go around in the big tent because that's what I promised you guys we'd do. We just got the kitchen. Let's see what's happening over here. Let's go. We're gonna run through. So this is the annual polo match, polo club, Chukka Foundation annual polo club, and we're gonna run through real quick. Wow, look at this, guys. Passing through on the CPJ block. is the next levels right here, guys. next level of vehicle right here. Porsche. Yeah, electric too. Wow. Check them out. Yeah. Now, this is where you step up your game a bit. Yeah, guys, this is the next level. Next level is ATL.
You should know when you drive a vehicle on the left side.
Come on. So we're just doing these BRYDs, guys.
Because all the
Yeah.
VIP that they blow themselves.
Getting some
If you
views.
know when you drive a vehicle on the right
Alright.
side.
So ATL Autobahn is here, guys, with all of the new vehicles, guys. You guys can get to take a look at these. And this is what's happening at your annual 2025 polo match, guys, in Jamaica. That's what's up. So Chukka. I had to switch shirts. Pretty lady in a Porsche. This is it, guys. I have a few footprints in there because you don't know. Look at this. Match that's going on. Already got some drone shots in, guys. I'm sure you guys seen that already. But this is the polo match that's going on, first match. And they're going at it. Ball's downfield. Oh, ball just hit the horse. That was a hard hit. Oh, there he goes back the other direction, guys. They're going at it.
That one turning around and here's Dora. Going to turn this face by Rory. So Dora turns inside and probably hit down the field, but intercepted by Charlie Chambers.
That's what's up, guys.
Paul Chen takes it down the far side, so Chukka had the possession again, and he overrides that one. Everyone's overriding that. Yes, Dougal gets a cut of that in towards the centre of the field, and there's Rory pounce on that for Chukka. And he overrides that from a chin override. So Charlie Chambers. And again, yes, okay, so Charlie's got that ball for Chukka, powering through the kick towards the goal. Is he going to make it? And yes,
Let's
it
go, guys. That's
Charlie.
what's up.
Charlie
That is it.
Chambers scores for Chukka.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it rain. Tonight we're gonna let it rain. Tonight we're gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it rain. Tonight we're gonna let it rain. Tonight we're gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it rain.
Help yourself to drinks at the bar,
You all right?
food.
Having fun? All right,
This
cool.
event is not only just put on by Chukka Foundation
Yeah,
and
guys,
other
so
charities,
this
but
is
also the Jamaican Tourist Board. Chukka Cars obviously sponsors one of the team.
So-
Typhora Lux. Appleton at the bar in the centre there that you can see, and
This is it,
ATL
guys.
Automotive Group.
All around, guys. That's what's up.
Obviously, tenting is important, especially for
Hey, Zach! Yeah, man!
Newport.
That is right. Zach scored on the score, guys. That's what's up. You know, I said Zachary up on a roll today. So guys, we're here with the rest of the team. See,
For $300 to start off the bidding.
rest of the Chukka team. Say hi, Chukka. Hi,
Okay, serious man,
It's
come
CPJ
here.
and I building surprise are you. The mainstream for CPJ,
No,
guys.
forget the Jamaican business. We
So if you
think
want your
it's-
liquor,
hello,
anything,
hello.
set up,
Right,
buy
okay,
it.
so,
CPJ,
Thank
current
you.
producer
And you
Jamaica
just leave your
Limited.
wallet and I'll see
me?
what's
All right, guys, see
300.
them. Just like
Anyone
that.
from 50.
Outside.
Right, I think
Yeah.
Conrad is actually
Yeah, man.
seeing it.
Chukka
Okay,
and CPJ
and he may
start
want
together,
to say
guys. Look at
yes.
that. Just like
His
that. Relationship
best friend wants to
outside.
be. And we'll take Jamaican equivalents, you know. It don't matter. We just have to have some kind of denomination. Come on, sir. You look. I tell you what, you know, you look like you're fascinated with this. In fact, Here's the easiest thing. Make it 400 and split it between the 4 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4.